Let's look at this question on quadratic equations. We are given that the product of two consecutive positive odd integers is 483. Find the integers. Okay, so what we can do is we can just put some random numbers first, okay, which are consecutive positive odd integers 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Now, if I were to take any of this number to be the first integer x, we can say that the next positive odd integer, the consecutive positive odd integer, would be x plus 2. So this will hold true for all of the numbers in this sequence here, which means I can now use this relationship to form the equation, which is x multiplied by x plus 2 will be 483. With that, I can do the expansion. X squared plus 2x equals to 483. Bring the constant over to the left hand side. X squared plus 2x minus 483 equals to 0. So this is basically our standard quadratic equation, and now you can solve it through factorization. You can use any approach that is comfortable for you. I'm going to use the quadratic formula, where I'm going to map this to the general quadratic equation, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So a is 1, b is 2, and c is negative 483. Okay, so let's put them into the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, let's put in the numbers. So minus 2 plus minus square root 2 square minus 4, 1, negative 483 over 2a, which is equals to minus 2 plus minus square root 4 plus 1932 over 2. Okay, next what you will have is this will be minus 2 plus minus square root 1936 over 2, and square root of 1936 would be 44. So minus 2 plus minus 44 over 2. So the two possible values are minus 2 plus 44 over 2, or minus 2 minus 44 over 2, which would give us 42 over 2 and minus 46 over 2. So that would result with 21 and negative 23. So looking back at the question, we are told that there are two consecutive positive odd integers. So we know that this negative value is not applicable in this case. So the answer for x would be 21. Alright, so x is equals to 21, means x plus 2 is 23. So the two consecutive integers are 21 and 23. Alright, just to verify, if you take 21 multiplied by 23, you will get the answer as 483. So that is the final answer for this question here. Okay, so I hope that this video has given you a good idea how to approach this question here. So as long as you understand the question and are able to derive an equation from the information given in the question, then the rest is your standard quadratic equation factorization and solving process. Alright, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.